My personal reflection on Surah An-Nisa. Surah An-Nisa holds a special place in my heart because it constantly reminds me that Islam is not just about personal acts of worship. It's about building a just, compassionate, and responsible society. One of the striking themes of this surah is the emphasis on justice and fairness. Allah commands us to stand firm in justice, even if it means speaking the truth against ourselves or those we love. From chapter 4, verse 135. This verse makes me reflect deeply on my own actions. Am I truly being just in my dealings with others? Or do I sometimes let personal emotions cloud my judgment? It's a powerful reminder that true faith requires moral courage and integrity. The surah also sheds light on women's rights, a topic that resonates with me as a Muslima. At a time when rights of women were often overlooked, Islam introduced laws to protect their dignity, ensuring they receive their rightful inheritance and are treated with respect. It reminds me that the rules laid out in the Quran are not about restriction, but about safeguarding fairness and balance. I also find myself reflecting on the surah's call to protect orphans and the vulnerable. Allah warns against consuming the wealth of orphans unjustly from chapter 4, verse 2. And this makes me think about the broader lesson. How do we, as a community, treat those who are weak or in need? It's easy to get caught up in our own struggles, but Surah An-Nisa pushes me to look outward and ensure I'm doing my part to support others, especially those without a voice. Another impactful lesson for me is about family and marriage. The surah sets clear guidelines for marriage, polygamy, and the treatment of spouses. I am reminded that marriage in Islam is not just about love. It's about responsibility, fairness, and mutual respect. Allah's words about treating wives with kindness and justice, chapter 4, verse 3, inspires me to foster healthy relationships in all aspects of my life. Lastly, the surah's warning about hypocrisy strikes a chord. It prompts me to ask myself, am I consistent in my words and actions? Or do I bend the rules when it suits me? This self-reflection is humbling because it highlights that faith is not just what we show outwardly. It's what resides in our hearts and how we act when no one is watching. Overall, Surah An-Nisa reminds me that Islam is a complete way of life, a balance between personal faith and social responsibility. It calls me to be just, compassionate, and accountable, not just for myself, but for those around me.